Horizontal distance, distance measured along a level line. Horizontal line, a straight line tangent to a level surface and always perpendicular to the plumb line. Horizontal plane, a line tangent to a level surface. Instrumental error, an error caused due to imperfection of the instrument. Interpolation, the process of spacing contour line proportionally between platted point. Latitude, the vertical component of traverse line wherein the distance is multiplied by the cosine of the varying angle. Leveling, the operation of measuring distance either direct or indirectly in order to determine difference in elevation between two level surface. Leveling rod, a graduated wood rod which is the conjunction with the level is used in determining difference in elevation. Level line, a curved line in a level surface where all parts of it are equidistant from the center to the earth. Level surface, a curved line in a level surface where all parts of it are equidistant from the center to the earth. Local attraction, any influence which present the needle to deviate from the magnetic meridian. Magnetic declination, the angle between the true meridian and the magnetic meridian. Magnetic meridian, a fixed line of references wherein it lies parallel with the magnetic line of the force of the earth as indicated by the direction. Map, a graphical representation of celestial sphere or the earth's surface. Mapping, the process of depicting or plotting the measurement into a map. Meridian, a fixed line or reference which may be a line in the survey or it may be an imaginary. Natural error, an error caused by variation in the existing condition of nature where measurement was taken. Upsmith method, the operation usually done, the 2 points are intervisible where the distance between cannot be determined and chaining is impossible to take in place. Open traverse, a survey which the traverse line do not form a closed figure. Pacing, a rough method of measuring distance, usually by calculating the number of steps by the average length of a single step. Pantograph, an instrument with four light links joined together on a parallelogram form used by copying maps. Parallel of altitude, a small circle on the celestial sphere, the plane of which is parallel to that of the horizon. Parallel of declination, a small circle on the celestial sphere, the plane of which is parallel to that of the equator. Personal error, due an error made due to the limitation of human to manipulate the instrument correctly. Plane surveying, a type of surveying in which the main surface of the earth is considered as a plane or its spheroidal slopes is neglected. Plane table, a drawing board mounted on tripod used for plotting map. Planimeter, a device used in finding the areas of figures plotted to scale, especially those of irregular or curved boundaries. Plumb bob, a pointed metal weight suspended from a string. Plumb line, a line directed toward the center of the earth due to gravitational force. Plani- Preliminary, preliminary survey, a survey of selected corridor insufficient details, thus permitting the sticking of the final center line on the ground.